Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into TCL LinkHub correctly. So first, if you want to enter your SIM card, what you guys want to do is go over, let's grab the device, and we're gonna put it like this. So here we have 3 ports. Now I'll put my hand over so you guys can see. Here we have the SIM, USB, and reset. Now we need to just put it like this, so we need to take it off. We're gonna put it away, and this third port from the left, or second if we do not count this, the second is our SIM. So here we have our SIM card. Now you may be wondering, how do we enter it? So we need to rotate it so it is like this. There's this cut, and we need to put it like this. So now it is inserted. We're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna push it in until we hear a click. So sometimes it might be really hard to just get it to click, but as you guys can see, once you really try, then you will just get it. Now we can close it up, and once it is closed up, we only need to put it into power, and then everything will work just fine. So that's how you guys can easily insert a SIM card into your TCL LinkHub correctly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.